Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we'll be sharing a very important information of KCET Counselling 2024. Dates, seat allotment, document verification procedure. So each and every detail will be discussed in this video. So guys, I hope everyone have seen your KCET results. So congratulations to all students, those who have got good rankings, and many of the students were complaining that they have got higher ranking what they were expecting. So this is the final results, so we can't do anything. Now the most important thing is this counseling. So many people will do the mistakes in counseling. So guys, remember, if you do good counseling, you will get good college. If you get a good college, you will get a good placements. So as you all know that in our answers keys video, we have already told, so we'll be telling you each and everything. We will guide you from first step to last step. So this video will be like a part 1 video where we'll be discussing about document verification, step by step procedure, what and all documents needed for document verification. So each and every detail will be covered in this video. So watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this KCET Counselling 2024. So let us start our video. So KCET Counselling 2024 detailed procedure. So you will get information in KEA website about this KCET counseling. So results just now announced. So it will take some 1 week. After that you will get this counseling 2024 procedure schedule. So which college you need to go for document verification and all. So the first step of counseling is KCET registration and document verification. So this is very important. You have to complete your document verification. So as you can see, candidates have to reach the KCET counseling venue along with the required documents. So don't worry about the venue. You will get information from KEA website for which ranking, which college you need to go and all. So example, if you are staying in Bangalore, so you have to go to Bangalore colleges only. No need to go to any other place. So you will get information once they schedule the document verification in the colleges. So applicants must carry the compulsory documents in their original along with 2 sets of photocopies. The authority concerned will check all the documents. If all the documents were found correct, then the candidate will get a slip which will have a unique ID and password. So if you want to do the option entry, so this document verification is very important so that you will get a unique ID and password to log in. So the first step is document verification. The second step is KCET choice filling and locking. So option entry, choice filling is nothing but option entry, and after getting college you have to select the choice, which choice you want to select, choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4. So detailed video will be discussing in our next videos. So as of now, I will be telling, after KCET document verification, the candidates will have to log into their account using a unique ID and password. After that, candidates will have to fill out their preference of college and course. So this is very important to select good college. As I told, if you get a good college, you will get a good placement. So in our future videos, we'll be telling how to select a good colleges also, and we'll make a video on top 10 engineering colleges of Karnataka also, so that you will get a help to select a good colleges. A candidate shall able to check the course wise, category wise and college wise seat matrix at the time of choice filling. Candidates are advised to select their preference carefully. However, candidate can modify, add or delete the choices in every round of KCET 2024 counseling. You might not understand these things, but just remember, this is one of the steps you have to do after your document verification. So as I told earlier, we will be discussing each and everything detailed in our next videos. So the third step is KCET seat allotment 2024. So after the choice entry finish, you will get your seat allotment. The seat allotment results of KCET 2024 will be released at the official website. Candidates have to log in their accounts in order to download the KCET seat allotment letter. The seat allotment letter of KCET 2024 comprises information such as allotted college, reporting date, etc. So if you enter your number, you will get your which college you have allotted. So where everything will be mentioned. So that also will be discussing in our next future videos. And the last thing is reporting to the allotted college. In order to confirm admission, candidates need to report to the allotted college on the mentioned date and time. Candidates are advised to carry the other required documents along with the KCET counseling allotment letter to the college for the purpose of verification. So I think you all are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to answer your doubt. So the next step, the most important thing, documents required for KCET Counselling 2024. So what and all documents needed? So rural study certificates. So if you are in a rural place, so you should have a rural study certificate, caste certificate or income certificate, Kannada medium certificates. Candidates who have studied in Kannada medium from class 1 to 10th in Karnataka and outside the state of Karnataka, parents study certificate or parents hometown certificate, parents domicile certificate. So any one certificate is important. That's why they have mentioned or option. Then parents employee certificates, parents cumulative record, parents marks card, etc. for the candidates claiming eligibility for the government seats based on the domicile or study or employment of the parent. So identity card issued by the judicial deputy commissioner, district rehabilitation commissioner for the candidates claiming eligibility for government seats under Jammu and Kashmir migrants quota. So I think you can take a screenshot. You're all clear now which and all documents you need to require for the KCET counseling. Now KCET application form 2024, KCET admit card 2024, KCET application fee payment proof, class 10 or SSLC mark sheet and certificate, class 12 or second PUC mark sheet and certificate, 7 years study certificate countersigned by the concerned B or DDPI, recent passport size photograph 2 copies, income certificate. So all these documents you need to have while your document verification. So as we have told earlier that you have to have the original documents also plus 2 sets of copy with attestation. Attestation is very important, guys. If you don't do the attestation to your documents, they won't accept only. So one document they will keep and one document you have to give to your college. So better, my advice, to have a 3 set of copies. So one document copies you can give to that document verification time, and one copy you can keep yourself, and one copy you can give to your college. I think you all are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, try to comment in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. And guys, still if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe, because in future you will get lot of informative videos which will help you to get a good college. Some FAQs regarding KCET 2024. I think so many people have so many doubts, because I know many people will be new to these things. So some questions we have selected and we will be answering now. Still, if you have any doubt and any other questions if you have, you can ask me. I will try to clear your doubt. So document verification date. So when document verification date will start? So 31st May 2024 results came. So you will get, as I told, after 1 week this document verification date will start. So it will go from June to July. How many sets do we need to have for document verification? So as I told earlier, so 3 sets if you have, it will be good, but they will tell that 2 sets are enough. But if you keep 3 sets, one you can give to your college, one you can give at the time of document verification, and one you can keep yourself for your future reference. Is attestation compulsory? Yes. If your documents are not attested, they won't consider only. Who can do attestation of documents in Karnataka? So this is very important. So as told in the as they told in the previous slide, that BEO or DDPI, so or veterinary doctor, any government employee, you can get a attestation. Option entry start date. So option entry, you can expect the start date will be August 2024. You will get a schedule, guys, don't worry. This is a tentative dates what I'm showing. Mock allotment. So before the first round seat allotment, you will get a mock allotment also. So you'll get a clarity which college you can expect in first round and all. Then modify, delete and rearrange options, that will be for August 2024. Round 1 seat allotment result will be on August 2024. Display of seat matrix August 2024. Selection of choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4 August 24. Don't worry guys, in our next videos I will be telling you about all about this choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, this round 1 seat allotment, seat matrix and all. Rearrange of options August or September 2024. Round 2 seat allotment September 2024. And many of you have questions like what will be the CET fees, Karnataka common entrance fees, how much we have to give to the Karnataka government, like that. So if you have got aided seat, you have to give 15,000. If you have got unaided seat, 63,000. So what is the difference between this aided and unaided? Aided will be like a government seat, so don't worry, you will be allocating to the same college only, but the seat will be aided seat. So to get this aided seat you have to get a good ranking. Unaided seat will be like private seat, so in same college private seat, so 63,000. So this amount can vary. So this was the last year fees, so it might vary. So I think all your doubts are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. So guys, try to share this video as much as possible so that everyone can get to know about this KCET Counselling 2024. So as I said earlier, you can expect many important informative content related to KCET in our future videos. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned.